Welcome back, bentornati su My Football Jersey. This is the third Como jersey for this season. This is a fun version of a young player, really good, that now is doing a great season in Italy, that is Nico Paz. What do you think? This black jersey with white, it's really elegant. In my ranking this is a 4 stars, not a particular design, but quite an elegant jersey that you can wear every day with a pair of jeans. Let me know if you agree, and in this case, if you like the jersey, if you like Como, if you like Nico Paz, smash the like button. Write the comments here below to tell me what other jersey you would like to see in the future, and subscribe the channel. I know that it seems nothing, but it's really important for the channel. See you next time. Ciao!